morning I decided to test run my 3.5 Mercury, and the prop wasn't making any turbulence, and I found all this mess behind the prop. Shear pin was snapped, and this is how bad the damage was on the prop. So I decided to make my own shear pin out of a small bolt. I just cut the head off, and then I actually sanded down most of the threads that would be the same size. I took these two small bits and these two of these screws, and I figured I'd make something for the shear pin to push against, and these are the results. And the shear pin fits right in there. I've actually sanded the shear pin down a little more. Time for a test run. Alright, here goes nothing. I just put the propeller on. Ooh, choke. Get it out of gear. Alright, here goes nothing. Watch the water. Looks like it's working. Well, now you know how to fix a plastic propeller. Actually, the shear pin I made was a little too thick, so I had an old troll motor over here. So I took this off and pulled a little pin out of the shaft from here. It was a little small. Hey, but it works. So, hey, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and if this helped you, send me $1.